That's a lot of foam. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Drive Talk Cars. And in today's episode, we're going to be reviewing a foam cannon. So let's check it out. So the great people of MJJC reached out to me and asked me if I would like to do a product review on their foam cannon. So they sent me over their MJJC Foam Cannon Pro. As always, I'm unbiased, so we're gonna really see how this performs. So let's do a quick unboxing, see what comes in the package. Then we'll check out the results of this foam cannon, see if it really provides a great foaming experience. So let's get into it. All right, so let's see what's in the box. Disregard the damage of the box. I guess that's the fault of the deliverer. All right, so we have some literature. We have an accessory kit of some sort. Oh, that is nice. So it comes with filters, tips, and an extra hose. Came in the quick connector attachment. We have the container with the measurement marks. Nice, pretty nice size. Then we have the main part, the actual nozzle that sprays it out. So that's pretty straightforward with the contents there. The box also comes with instructions on how to use the product. So for me, I got the quick connector because that's how my power washer connects to accessories. There are other variations of connection types that they offer. So go to the website, have the link down below in the description to check out different connector types and different products that they have. All right, so we have a few things on the actual nozzle here. We have this cool engraving, MJJC. And then you have your adapter that goes on here. Like I said, I have the quick connect. So you just screw that on. Then you have your adjustment for how much soap you want. So if you turn to the left, you get less soap. Turn it to the right, you get more soap. So you have to add your hose. That just goes right over this fitment here. This is a pretty cool feature here. It has a weighted bottom. That way you can ensure that it's always sitting at the bottom. It's not flying all over when you put it inside here. So that's a cool feature. So here you turn the tip of the nozzle. As you can see, it opens and closes the two metal pieces at the end there. That creates different foaming patterns. This turns as well. That's how you can turn your angle. If you want it to be horizontal, keep it there, or you can turn here and then it can be vertical or anything in between. It's 360-degree rotation on that. And that's about it. So per the instructions, they say fill the bottle up with 900 milliliters of water, followed by 100 milliliters of soap. So 900 would be here. That's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then we put from here to here will be just soap. So that's not that much soap compared to my other one where you need like half soap and then half water. So let's see how that works. So now that we have everything put on, the adapter and the nozzle, we have our soap in there. Give it a good stir, just so it's all mixed up. We're ready to rock and roll. All right, so we're gonna connect it. All right, so we ran into our first snag. So this connector, the Quick Connect adapter, doesn't fit in my Quick Connect. For whatever reason, push it in there and you can see it doesn't fully come up and lock like it should. So with pressure, it probably just come out. It doesn't have a locking mechanism. Because as you can see there, when it's fully engaged, you don't see the ring around there. But with this in, you can still see the ring. So, wasn't able to use the Quick Connect adapter. However, there is a solution, and that is by attaching it directly to the gun, as you see there. So instead of using my wand and the adapter here, I just went straight to the source, plugged the foam cannon up to the gun. So let's see how that works. Hopefully it doesn't have any leaks or anything like that, and it works without a hitch. So let's get into it. Another thing that I noticed that I really like is that this doesn't spill. If you turn it upside down, nothing's spilling out. Unlike the other one that I had, if you turn it upside down, it spills out. So MJG, you already have a win in my book with that. Let's get into the spraying of it and see what we get. All right, so this is going to be at the lowest. This is going to be at the lowest setting. All right, so it's pretty runny. So we're going to switch it to the highest setting now. That's a lot of foam. So we'll switch it somewhere in between. All right, so let's talk about the product. The MJJC Foam Cannon Pro gets a thumbs up in my book. Now, I haven't tried every foam cannon, but the foam cannons that I have tried, this is by far the best. The thing that makes it great to me is the foam that it produces. The foam quality of this product is really good. It provides thick, consistent foam, not too watery, and it's a lot of adjustments that you could do between a watery down foam to a very, very thick foam. Prior foam cannon I had, couldn't do that. Also, I like that it doesn't spill out when I sit it down. Like I mentioned before, my other foam cannon, when I laid it down or if it tilts over, half my product spilt out. Another plus is that I don't use that much soap. Majority of this is water, the other portion is just soap. So 900 milliliters of water, 100 milliliters of soap. So that allows me to stretch out my soap a lot more than previous products. Also like that I can attach it directly to my foam gun using this here versus the other foam cannons. Some foam cannons you don't have that option. You can change the foam pattern. That was nice, so you can have a straight jet type stream or you can have a fan out stream. So if you have a smaller car, you might use the smaller pattern versus the wide pattern. So all in all, I give this a thumbs up. This definitely will be in my arsenal of car care products. So if you want to get this, check the link out down below. Very good product. So bye-bye to the old one. Okay, maybe I won't throw it away, but I'm not gonna use it. If you want to see other videos like this, please check out these videos here. And remember, do it until you can't. Until next time, I'm out.